Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program and get approved. First things first, you have to go to Amazon or affiliate Amazon, and basically this is what it looks like. So what you're going to do here is you have to look for the sign up button. You have to look for the sign up button right here, and then you have to enter the information that they need. Basically they will ask for your full name, also your address. So the requirements before you apply, you must have a website or YouTube channel or Instagram. And then you have to provide name and other info. As you can see, there is this account information. So probably you will add here your name, your address, your zip code. And then once you're done, then what you're going to do next is you have to add a website. So let's just say my website is blogger.com. I just have to copy and then paste the URL right here. But if you have your YouTube, if you have your Instagram, if you have your other social media account or profile, you just have to copy the URL and paste it right here. So this is where you're going to promote your Amazon products. After that, tap on next. And then here you have to provide information, but actually I don't have one. But if you have, or if you do have, you just have to paste the link right here and then proceed with the other information needed. After that, that's it. You just have to wait till your account get verified. So once you have your Amazon account already, and once you have set up your profile, then you can choose your payment method. It could be bank deposit, Amazon gift card. And then after that, your account will be created instantly. If not, then Amazon gives you 180 days to complete the final requirements. So, how to get fully approved? What counts as qualified sales? Someone clicks your link, buys a product, and completes the purchase and doesn't cancel. So, basically, how to increase your chances of approval, product reviews, unboxing, how to videos, tutorials using real products. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.